Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some jerk seasoning. For this seasoning, I've got all my ingredients. I've got some spring onion, aka escallion, some ginger, some fresh thyme, some Scotch bonnet peppers, I've got some onions, I've got some garlic, and I've got some pimentos. I'm also going to be adding in some powdered seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and some chicken seasoning. You can differ the chicken seasoning because this seasoning that I'm going to make, it's not just for jerk seasoning. It can be used to season anything. Your fish, your stews, your roast, your lamb, your pork, anything that you desire to season. You can season it with this seasoning. But it's specifically used or made as a jerk seasoning. This is the way my dad used to do it, guys, back in the day when I was growing up in the good old Jamaica. Yes guys, I'm Jamaican and my name is Good Vibes K. Stay tuned. So guys, you want to get all your ingredients prepped. You're going to peel them, you're going to wash them, you're going to cut them, you're going to dice them, and you're going to prep all your ingredients ready for your blender or your smoothie maker or your food processor or whatever you've got at hand. You can use that to blitz up all your ingredients. So I'm going to be prepping all of my ingredients. So when you have prepped all your ingredients, you want to be adding them in your blender and blending them until they come to a smooth paste. You can add them in whatever order you desire. There's no particular order when you're adding your ingredients to your blender. So you want to add all of that in and you want to blend them up until they come to a smooth paste. So again, like I said, for my blender right there, I'm adding in all my seasoning and that's in no particular order. For your jerk seasoning, guys, you don't have to use a lot or a little seasoning. It depends on how much you want to make. Then you either add or take away from your ingredients. In my case, I wanted to have leftovers to use for a good few months. So I use 1 bunch of spring onion, 4 big white onion, 7 Scotch bonnet pepper because I wanted it to be spicy, a 1/4 cup of pimento. I use fresh ginger, about 2 to 3 pieces of fresh ginger. I use about 3 heads of garlic. I use 1 bunch of fresh thyme. I used what else did I use? I use a 1/4 cup of vinegar, white vinegar that is. I use a 1/2 cup of water as well, and I blitz all of that up. And then after I did that, I added my powder seasoning. You'll see me adding my powder seasoning in a bowl, but you don't need to do that. That's just being extra. You can pour that inside of your blender or food processor. So I use some all-purpose seasoning and some chicken seasoning, and you can use any seasoning that you desire, but be sure to not use a seasoning that consists of a lot of salt, guys, because you know some of these seasonings, they are quite salty and you don't want that. And I also used a pinch of salt, like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in my ingredients as well. So after you've added all of your stuff to your blender and you blend that out, you want to blend all of your ingredients up and make sure that the thyme, for example, is blended out where you're not seeing pieces of stem of the thyme. So keep watching. Do remember to give the video a like, give the video a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And leave a nice comment for your girl to read. I'll be sure to get back to you. So now guys, I have blended out everything and it's to the consistency that I want it to be. Now I'm going to be bottling it up. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. There I am, I'm testing it. It's ready for my butter guys, and it's also ready to season up my chicken for that nice juicy authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Do give the video a like and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, and also stay tuned. I've got my jerk chicken video coming up right after this, where I'm gonna be showing you me making my jerk chicken from scratch. Stay tuned. So this is how my jerk seasoning is looking. I've bottled up the excess and I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, and then this can stay in the fridge for probably 2 to 3 months, probably 5 months, it depends on how long or how quick you use it. So that's gonna be my jerk seasoning. So I can do jerk chicken anytime. Jerk chicken, jerk fish, jerk salmon, whatever you want to jerk. Or this seasoning can be used on any type of meat that you want to season. This is how it's looking, and as you can see, it's not too thick and it's not too watery. A very good consistency. Thank you for watching my video about making jerk seasoning. I hope you like it. Please do leave your comments and let me know how you feel, what you would do different, what you wouldn't do. If you've made something like this before, you can just leave me some comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.